March, while Adam Kokesh has committed to attend the Denver March. Steve Grant, who filmed a music video at the DC March last year, will be returning this year. Stuart Rhodes of the Oath Keepers has been invited, as well as Bobby Seale of the original Black Panther movement. The Million Mask March seems to be accomplishing its goal.